sa isa't isa.
Inspire kayo sa isa't isa. This is the most handsome you've been in your life.
Really?
Yes,
You
and
know,
this is
Chris,
Don's most beautiful.
Be still, my heart. Lately its mind is all its own. It would go far and wide just to be near you.
Even the stars shine a bit bright. I've noticed when you're close to me.
Still it remains a mystery.
Anyone who's seen us knows what's going on between us. It doesn't take a genius to read between the lines. And it's not just wishful thinking, or only me who's dreaming. I know what these are symptoms of. We could be in love.
fans, alam nyo yan.
Maganda ng paganda, di ba?
But could it be Don's most beautiful?
I must say, nung kabataan niya, gwapo na talaga siya. But as he's aging even better. You're like wine.
Maybe it helps to know you'll be there tomorrow.
Don't open my eyes. I'll wake from the spell I'm under. Makes me wonder how.
Tell me how I could live without you now.
And what about the laughter, the happy ever after? Like voices of sweet angels calling out our names. And it's not just wishful thinking, or only me who's dreaming. I know what these are symptoms of. We could be in love.
Hindi ako alis dito.
Bakit ba? I have dreamed of this, but I cannot see your face. Don't ask why to such depths.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, mahal pa rin kita.
Fall right into
Simula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw lang tinitibok ng puso ko.
Anyone who's seen us knows what's going on between us. It doesn't take a genius
Tumawag sa kanya, babe.
to read between the lines. Oh, and it's not just wishful thinking, or only me who's dreaming.
Paano ulit
I
siya?
know what these are symptoms of. We could be in love. Oh, it doesn't take a genius to know what these are symptoms of. We could be. We could be. We could be in love.
Pero wala na kayong feeling sa isa't isa.
We could be in love.
Mahal kita.